factors on which elasticity of demand depends. The different factors which have to be taken into consideration while deciding whether the demand for the given commodity is more elastic or less elastic are as follows. Number one is nature of the commodity. Nature of the commodity, that is, whenever the commodity under consideration is luxury or comfort or necessity, is of prime importance. Demand for necessities is less elastic. On the other hand, demand for comforts is unitary elastic and demand for luxuries is more elastic. Existence of substitutes. The presence or absence of competing substitutes also accounts for the differences in elasticity of demand. The greater the ease with which substitutes can be found for a commodity or with which it can be substituted for other commodities, the greater will be the price elasticity of demand of that commodity and vice versa. For example, the demand of Colgate is elastic since there are various substitutes of Colgate like Civaca, Close-Up, etc. On the other hand, demand for salt is inelastic because no substitutes for it are available. Variety of uses of commodities. Another important factor which may be held irresponsible for the differentials in elasticity of demand is the variety of uses of commodities. If the commodity under consideration is having a single use, its demand will be less elastic. On the contrary, demand for a commodity having several uses, that is, for example, iron, steel, coal, etc., is more elastic. In this case, a small change in price is attended by a large change in quantity demanded. Nature of uses. Elasticity of demand is also determined by the nature of uses of commodities. We are familiar with the fact that various commodities are having several uses. It is quite genuine to think of a particular use of commodity of permanent importance. In such a case, demand is relatively inelastic. On the other hand, demand for the commodity is in a use not of much importance is relatively elastic.